Hi you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be giving you guys a little hair tutorial slash do my hair with me. If you guys watched my last video, I did a video on how to retwist your own locks, but today I'm going to be styling my locks and adding some hair to it. And I just thought I'd share for any of you guys who have locks, if you guys are in the starter phase and you don't know what to do with your hair. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a spring break trip coming up next week, so that's why we're doing my hair. But if you guys haven't seen the last video on how to retwist your own locks and you have locks, you should go watch it. And if you're just watching just to watch, hey, if you guys don't know, I'm a hairstylist and I have my own suites, and so I had to bring all the supplies that I needed. Plus I just moved to my first apartment, so let me know if you guys want a video on that, because there's been a lot going on. That's why I haven't been on here in like a month. Yeah, so for today, for this particular hairstyle, mind y'all, I don't even know what I'm doing in my hair exactly. I know that it's gonna be styled however y'all see it in the thumbnail, but I don't know if I just want to do like a side part, the little barrels to the side and then the retwist, or all of it barreled like halfway and then the 2-strand retwist. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but whatever's in the thumbnail, that's what we're doing today. But you're gonna need some Cuban twist hair. If you guys want to add hair to your locks, you don't need to add hair. Use like 2 packs of these. Like I've been using this gel. I need some rubber bands, even though some of mine fell out the bag, but it's okay. Clips, hair ties, of course. First off, my hair is a bit damp because I washed it. But also, if you just want to spray your hair, like for me, it just makes the process easier. And I'm a bit tender-headed when retwisting my locks, so just having my hair a bit damp kind of helps. So for now, y'all, I'm gonna section off this front part since I know that this top part is gonna be different from the rest of this. I section the back part. Freak, y'all, that's what I forgot. I'm about to cry. Oh my gosh. LMG. Y'all know like my hand mirror that I used to retwist my hair, I literally forgot it. Like we're literally just gonna have to act like we know what we're doing. Y'all don't understand. I'm literally just gonna have to touch with my hands and pray to God that these parts are crispy, because I can't see. Like I'm just gonna have to trust. That's insane. I'm gonna start off by parting your locks. Take my product, praying to God that the part looks clean. Y'all just tell me it looks clean. We're gonna retwist that. Like I said, if y'all don't know how to do a basic retwist, go back and watch my first video on how to do that. That'll let you know. But I'm just retwisting my lock right now, wrapping the excess hair, and then I'm gonna just clip that. And then I'm gonna take second lock, y'all. Still praying and hoping to God that this part looks clean, because I can't see. The way I can't see, y'all. Like, then I have that second lock that I retwisted. Remove that clip. If you've also seen my video on how to like do 2-strand twists on locks, you need to watch that. Like you just need to go back to the basics. I have all that, but this is just for simply just like to show y'all how to like style it. But remember, if your locks were twisted to the right, you want to twist the right lock over the left lock. If your locks were twisted to the left, twist the left lock over the right lock. So my locks were twisted to, I started them to the right, taking this right lock over here, twisting it over this one. Okay, so I'm gonna twist it, and then I twisted it down a few times, and then I'm gonna take a piece of hair. So like these pieces of hair, they're already pretty like thick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it in half, and I'm gonna use the smaller piece of hair for my first piece of hair, and then the second piece of hair that I'm gonna put in is gonna be like just a regular size hair. I'm not gonna split it in half or anything. So yeah, let me show y'all that. So I'm gonna take this small piece of hair, put it right here, and then I'm just gonna start twisting down. And I'm just doing shoulder length twist, so bring it down. And then when I feel it starts to get like inconsistent or like thinning, that's when I add my second piece of hair, and I'm gonna twist down. Now usually when I do my hair, I have like the ends kind of look like natural with like a knot, but today I kind of want to do like the beehive thing. And then I'm gonna take it, like I said, I'm doing shoulder length. I think I'm gonna stop. do it right here. And then I'm just gonna take it and twist. I really hope y'all can see. I'm gonna just take it and I'm like twisting it around. You will feel like how you're supposed to twist it around. I usually twist it around once because I want it to look like locks, but like I be wanting it to look like my actual locks, but the style that I'm going for, I just don't know what to do, like a beehive. So I'm gonna twist it around like about 4 times. Take my rubber band. Cut this excess off. My floor is gonna be dirty. There you have it. As y'all can see, this is the first twist. And so I'm gonna keep going, and when I get to a good spot where y'all can actually see what I'm doing, I'll be back. So I hope y'all got the gist. Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys can see, this is what I have so far. What I'm gonna do is, cause like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the consistency for me is like, this is too little for me. Like, I don't know if I can see. And don't talk about my parts, cause I don't have a mirror on. I don't know what they look like. But this is what it looks like. As y'all can see, like, I like it, but the consistency, like, since my locks are thick and then they thin out, it's kind of like, you know. So for me, what I'm gonna do, instead of doing the little piece and then the big piece, I'm gonna do 2 regular size pieces instead of splitting it in half like I told y'all before. So just pay attention to your hair and the consistency, so that it's like consistent throughout and that it's like thick throughout. I'm just gonna do 2 like regular pieces. I'm not gonna split it in half anymore. Just a heads up. So if you see that it's looking a certain way, add more hair, add less hair. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be this or that. I do the same thing with my clients. I'll either add a small and big piece depending on their thickness of their hair. You just have to really watch your hair.
Barely been doing your own. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations.
Hey you guys, so I finished the back portion. Once again, I don't know how these parts will look. We're just gonna pray that they look good, but who cares? We're gonna do the front and I'm gonna show y'all like how and what exactly I'm gonna be doing, even though I don't even know, like, I don't know. We're gonna see, but I feel like I should go all to the back. Let's get started so I can show y'all like how I'm gonna do the barrels. So for the barrels, like I'm really doing like each row instead of putting multiple rows together, because if y'all know barrel twists, you usually put like, you know, a few rows together, but it's just gonna be like me barreling each like row of my hair back.
More than I already was, but never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Hey you guys, so as you guys can see, I ended up going with doing the barrel straight back. I kind of have to get used to it. I'm gonna just let it marinate for a few days before my trip, because usually I have like my hair in my face or like to the side, so it's just being all back. Like I really like it, but my head, I feel like my head is booming. You know, maybe I just need to do a full face. Just let it marinate. But this is the hairstyle. Let me know what else you guys want to see, what other hairstyles you guys would like to see, any tips or tricks that you guys can give me as well. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, this took about like 3.5 hours. I started around like 7:45-ish. Finished at like 11:15. So that's it, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.